Buy YOWHICK DP03 4K projectors at cheap and limited time discount from link in the description. Click subscribe and press the bell icon to get latest videos. YOWHICK DP03 projectors with high-quality images and a full-fledged sound system, you will feel as if you are in a movie theater. You can easily enjoy movies and dramas anytime with the 4K supported projector with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3. YOWHICK Smart Movie Projector equipped with real native 1920 by 1080 resolution. To better meet your needs, they have upgraded our DP03 with 20,000 to 1 high contrast ratio and 12,000 lumen brightness. A 6-layer high refractive index coated lens restores the true color of the picture, presenting high-definition picture quality to reduce eye irritation. Outdoor video projector provides a 40 to 400 inches projection display, 3.6 to 29 feet projection distance. Keystone correction and scaling make setting up and getting the perfect screen position a breeze. Humanized function and the big 400-inch screen makes you enjoy just like being in a theater. With the zoom function, you can adjust the projected image to 50% without moving the projector. YOWHICK projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth supports Wi-Fi 6 or 2.4G dual-band Wi-Fi connection. The movie projector with the built-in HDMI, USB, AV, TF and 3.5mm headphone port, compatible with iPhone, Android, Windows systems. It can easily connect your TV stick, phone, laptop, USB stick, PS5 etc. Their Bluetooth projector has built-in powerful dual speakers and the latest Bluetooth 5.3 chip restored every detail, sound effect and excellent auditory sense experience. Portable size design is easy for outdoor projector use. Bigger screen and premium sound effects enlarge your happiness as a home cinema experience. Just enjoy it. The Bluetooth and Wi-Fi projector support desktop placement, tripod and ceiling installation projection. You can fall asleep without thinking since their projector can automatically turn off after a fixed time you set. Their 4K movie projector equipped with a high-quality LED lamp and have a long lifespan. In addition to the vivid colors that give a natural impression, also offer you bright, clear, sharp image even during daytime. It has about 120,000 hours of projection and can be used for at least 20 years. Built-in 5W dual hi-fi stereo speakers with SRS sound system. It provides a more immersive viewing experience that produces clear, powerful and vivid sound. It also provides 5 sound modes: movie, music, sports, user, standard, allow you to customize the sound mode you want. YOWHICK DP03 movie projector uses LCD technology, which can project clear, stable and vivid images. In addition, compared to the conventional DLP color wheel method, it reduces color discoloration over time and rainbow noise, which were weak points. You can enjoy powerful movies and games with Wi-Fi 6 high-speed transmission. 2 times faster than normal 2.4G and has lower latency. Bluetooth 5.3 connection makes easier to connect with Bluetooth devices such as external speakers, wireless earphones etc. and the degree of freedom is greatly improved. 2 years warranty and professional technical lifetime customer service makes you worry about the fee to purchase. At last, why choose their YOWHICK DP03 1080p projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth? And the reason behind it are, native 1080p, 4K supported resolution, projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth upgraded with 20,000 to 1 high contrast ratio. YOWHICK DP03 equipped with Wi-Fi 6 plus 2.4G Wi-Fi connection, Bluetooth 5.3 function and hi-fi speaker ensures you watch movies smoothly and will feel as you are in a movie theater. Max 400-foot display and 50 to 100% zoom function provide you with more choices and operation space. Connectivity technology, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB, HDMI, smartphone, laptop, tablet, AV, 3. 5mm audio, TV stick. 120,000 hours lamp life and 2 years guarantee and lifetime technology support service will be offered. If you have this DP03 projector, you can easily and no worry to start enjoy movies and dramas. YOWHICK DP03 Wi-Fi and Bluetooth projector. It is worthwhile for you to have one to enjoy your home entertainment and as a gift to your friends, kids, lovers, and families members anytime.